YouTube. Eric DIY here along with Zach. And tonight we're going to review the Nooie Indoor Cam 1080p. We've been using it for a couple days now. It's been going great. I'm going to show you the features and everything. Just know that this is the model where you can tilt it to where you need it, but it is not 360 degrees. The Nooie Indoor Cam has the following specs. It's 1080p Full HD. It does have night vision. You have control through an app. You can have cloud storage if you'd like to purchase that. You do have to purchase it. There's two-way audio, and it also has motion detection, which you set up all that through the app. In the Nooie Cam Indoor 1080p box, we have the camera itself, which comes on the mount. You also have a 3M really good mounting tape to mount the camera wherever you need. You also have the USB power cord. So you can run this from any micro USB, the adapter, or the USB cord. And you have really quick directions on how to pair this. To pair the camera, it was really easy. So the app is the Nooie Cam app, and we're gonna have Zach. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go to another room recording the app with Zach, and we'll communicate through the Nooie Indoor Cam and everything. Okay, Zach, so you stay here, bud. Just know when you first get the Nooie Indoor Cam, it might have a firmware update. It's really easy to update. It'll pop up a message when you start the app. But there's Zach right now. We can see ya. Say hi to the camera, bud. All right, and he's in the kitchen. I'm in the TV room here, so we're gonna hear a little bleed through. But if you want to listen to what's going on the camera, we just turn the speaker on with the app like so. Zach, say a little something, bud. So as you can see, it's pretty clear. We've decided to borrow Zach's bedroom to be upstairs while he's downstairs. And as you can see, the camera picks up a lot of detail with 1080p. It does a very nice job. If we want to hear what's going on, we just tap the screen once, push the speaker on, and you can hear Daisy in the background barking. All right, so let's talk to Zach through the microphone. We're going to turn the microphone on by pushing that. Hey, Zach, can you hear me? All right, and you can see it's a pretty good instantaneous feed through the internet to the camera. Say the number 5, Zach. So you can see that he can hear me, and I can say, hey, you, get out of my house. And you can see he's smiling because we do that all the time for fun. We're like, hey, what would happen if we were going to talk to this thing? Right, Zach? The other things that you can do with the app, they have a cloud service that you can pay for. It's optional. I'm not going to do that. I will just record. So if you want to record some video, you just push the video record button, and it will record it right to your phone after you're done. So get a couple seconds, and we'll stop it by pushing that. And then it's going to save that video, and you can play it back. So it's saved to photos. So to find the video that we just recorded, I went to my Google Photos. There's a nice picture of Zach right there. I was taken today. But just click on the video right there, and then you just click on it, and it'll play it back. So that is recording the video of Zach moving around down there. Alright, and that's how it will save the video right to your phone. You can also take a picture with the Nooie Cam. So let's get Zach right front and center in the camera. Okay, microphone off. We're going to take a picture. There you go. And again, that will be saved to your phone. Save the photos. So to see that, same thing. You go to your Google Photos. I'm going to go to Device Folders. I'm going to go to Snapshot. And you have the extreme close-up picture as well as the one that we just took. So can definitely make out details. So if you need to capture a picture of someone in your house that you don't want, it's going to be good to get that. There are many options on the app. You can do audio recording. You can have the status light, that little white light that you saw on the camera in the beginning of this review. You can turn that on and off. You can rotate the image. So if you have it mounted on the ceiling, because you can mount it on the ceiling, they give you a mounting plate. You can rotate the image so that way it looks right. Motion detection is to set up motion detection. You can have high sensitivity. Notice that I put a schedule for 12 midnight. Sound detection is great, especially for us. We do not have any glass break sensors as of now, so if the camera detects any sound, it's going to record. You can put it in SD cards. Okay, I do not currently have one in there, but it can do loop recording. Or, like I said before, you could pay for cloud 7 days of recordings of motion tracking, and it's backed up by the Amazon Web Service. You can also share cameras wherever you need to. You just have to send them an invitation through email, and they have to install the Nooie app. And last but not least, you have camera information, where again you can update the firmware. This actually is saying there's an update, so I'm going to update it now. I'm going to say next, and it's going to say it takes about 5 minutes. I'm going to push OK, and that's how easy it is to update it. And it says updating on the app until it's all set. We turned off all the lights down there. We have the nighttime vision, which as you can see is pretty crisp and clean. Zach's moving around there, so let's tell him to move closer to the camera. Zach, move closer to the camera, bud. Try talking to us, bud. Say something.
How are you doing today, reviewer?
So that's pretty cool. To turn on motion detection, what we do is we go to the menu setup button right here in the upper right corner. Go to motion detection, and I'm going to put it on high because I really want to pick up Zach, and I'm going to do it for all hours so that way he can walk now. But you can set it to turn on for certain hours. It's nighttime down there, the motion detection's on. Let's tell Zach to walk towards the camera. Zach, walk towards the camera. And there you go, it says motion detected. That will pop up. With the micro SD card, it's going to record things as well. If we push the camera that we wanted, which is the dining room cam, down here on the bottom they have a timeline where you can find out where it is. I'm going to click today, and it has a little gradient area. You can see me walking around. That's recorded on the SD card, so you can actually look at it from afar, what's going on there, walking back and forth there. So the SD card will definitely record video and record a bunch of it. We've got the Nooie indoor cam up here. I have a outlet down there. I'm just going to plug this in the back first, and you can only put it in one way because it's designed that way. So we literally just let the Nooie cam do its thing. It's all set up, and it's going to load it right here. So I have my whole picture right there. I am going to angle it down. I apologize at this time for the non-neatness of this playroom, but that's why we had a playroom when we bought this house. And that will definitely get what I need for the playroom. Hi out there. Say hi.
Hi.
Let's say that I'm upstairs and Zach's downstairs playing his playroom. I just go to the Nooie app, push that, and we're gonna see Zach in his playroom. And there he is. The color is awesome. Everything is awesome down there. Oh, there's Daisy. She decided to join him. So that's quite awesome. All right, let's talk to Zach. Hey, bud, what's going on? Right, and I have the speaker on at the same time as the microphone. You can hear me clearly, right? All right, we're gonna have to clean that room out tomorrow, bud. Yeah, so as you can see, Zach definitely likes playing down there. He's even got his little laboratory in the back there that we set up for him. So he's got everything he needs, including a TV. Turn the TV on, boy. Let's see if you can hear me. Awesome. We can hear every little thing there. So the Nooie indoor camera is not just a security camera. You want to use it as a camera for your children or whatever, you can use it that way too, which is what we're going to use it for now. The nighttime vision is definitely clearer than the Arlo camera that I had down there. You could see everything. If someone were to break in down there, I could capture a clear picture of them. And that is our review of the Nooie indoor camera 1080p. Amazing camera. Amazing price, awesome audio and video quality. Definitely one of the better indoor security cameras we've actually done. Pros, video all the way. Video's nice and clear, nice color. Nighttime video, really good, really crisp and clean, better than the old camera we just replaced in here. The only con I would say is it's not a 360 camera. You can't move it remotely. And I think another con would just be that you have to get used to how to use the software and everything. Other than that, it's a great camera. Competitively priced, excellent quality. I have no other qualms about it. If you'd like to purchase your Nooie indoor camera 1080p, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon. We can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate everything you do for us. Thank you and have a great night. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.